Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Harpy Eagle Harpia harpiger. The Harpy Eagle Harpia harpiger is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. It is a magnificent bird of prey found primarily in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Head and eyes. They have a distinctive double crest of long feathers on their heads that can be raised or flattened. Their large, sharp eyes are adapted for excellent vision, essential for hunting. Plumage and legs and feet. Their feathers are predominantly grey, with a black chest band and white underparts. Their legs are powerful and covered with thick, scaled skin, ending in massive talons, up to 13 centimeters long. Size length. Harpy eagles can grow up to 89 to 100 centimeters, 35 to 40 inches in length, with females being larger than males. Weight. Females weigh 6 to 9 kilograms, 13 to 20 pounds, while males weigh 4 to 6 kilograms, 8.8, 13.2 pounds. Wingspan. Despite their large size, their wingspan is relatively short, about 176 to 224 centimeters, 5.8 to 7.4 feet, which helps them navigate through dense forests. Habitat. Harpy eagles inhabit tropical lowland rainforests, particularly in regions with large, undisturbed tracts of forest. They are found from southern Mexico through Central America to northern Argentina and southern Brazil. They prefer altitudes below 900 meters, 3,000 feet, but can occasionally be found at higher elevations. Diet. Harpy eagles are apex predators and primarily hunt arboreal mammals. Prey. Sloths, monkeys for example, howler and capuchin monkeys, opossums, and occasionally large birds like macaws. Hunting method. They use their exceptional agility to maneuver through trees and ambush prey. Their strong talons are capable of piercing thick fur and flesh. Breeding. Mating. Harpy eagles are monogamous and form long-term pair bonds. Nesting. They build large nests high in the canopy of tall trees, often in kapok, the silk cotton trees. The nests can be reused for years. EGGS. Females lay 1 or 2 eggs, but typically only one chick survives, as the stronger chick often outcompetes its sibling. Incubation. Both parents share incubation duties, lasting about 56 days. Fledging. The chick takes about 5 to 6 months to fledge, but the parents continue to care for it for up to 2 years. Behavior. Territoriality. Harpy eagles are territorial and defend their home ranges fiercely. Hunting. They are solitary hunters and rely on stealth and surprise to capture prey. Vocalizations. They communicate with whistles and screeches, especially during breeding season. Threats. Habitat destruction due to deforestation, hunting, and human disturbance are the main threats to harpy eagles. Conservation efforts. Protected in many areas through laws, conservation programs, and captive breeding efforts. Status. Classified as near threatened by the IUCN Red List. The harpy eagle plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of its habitat by controlling populations of arboreal prey species. Its striking appearance and formidable presence make it a symbol of the wild, untamed rainforests it inhabits. Resplendent Quetzal, Pharamochrus mocino. The resplendent Quetzal, Pharamochrus mocino, is a strikingly beautiful bird found in the cloud forests of Central America. Revered by ancient Mesoamerican cultures, it is the national bird of Guatemala and a symbol of freedom and beauty. Tail. Males boast extraordinarily long, flowing green tail feathers, particularly during the breeding season. Head. Both sexes have a green crest, but it is more pronounced in males. Beak. Yellow in males and dark in females. Eyes. Surrounded by black skin. giving the bird a striking appearance. Plumage: vibrant emerald green body with iridescent hues that shimmer in different lights. Males have a crimson red chest and belly. Habitat: found in cloud forests at elevations of 1,000 to 3,000 meters, 3,300 to 9,800 feet. Range includes southern Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Prefers dense, humid forests with abundant epiphytes like mosses and bromeliads. Diet: primarily frugivorous, feeding on wild avocado laurel family and other fruits. Occasionally consumes insects, small frogs, and lizards for protein. Plays a crucial role in forest ecology by dispersing seeds of fruit-bearing trees. Breeding season varies by location, but generally occurs from March to June. Mating: monogamous during the breeding season, forming pairs. Nesting: nests in tree cavities, often using natural hollows or those created by woodpeckers. EGGS: females lay pale blue eggs, incubated by both parents. Chicks hatch after about 17 to 18 days. Both parents feed and care for the chicks, which fledge in 3 to 4 weeks. Behavior: flight: graceful and slow, often gliding between trees. Vocalizations: soft, melodious. Whistles: often described as melancholic. Social structure: solitary or found in pairs, except during migration or when caring for young. Activity: generally active during the day, foraging in the forest canopy. Cultural significance: the Quetzal was sacred to the Maya and Aztec civilizations, symbolizing freedom and spirituality. The bird's feathers were used in ceremonial headdresses of priests and royalty. Conservation status: threats: habitat loss due to deforestation and illegal pet trade. Status: listed as near threatened by the IUCN Red List. Conservation efforts: protected in national parks and reserves, such as the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve in Costa Rica and Sierra de los Minas in Guatemala. The resplendent Quetzal's stunning appearance and ecological importance make it one of the most iconic and revered birds of the Americas. It continues to inspire conservation efforts and cultural pride in the regions it inhabits. Marvelous Spatuletail, Lodygesia mirabilis. The Marvelous Spatuletail Lodygesia mirabilis is a small, vibrant, and rare hummingbird species endemic to the forests of northern Peru. Known for its unique tail feathers and captivating courtship displays, this bird is a marvel of avian evolution. Males, known for their extraordinary tail feathers, which consist of only 4 rectrices. 2 of these feathers are elongated and end in large, iridescent scent violet blue spatules. The feathers are bare shafts for much of their length. Females, more modestly colored, with shorter tails and no spatules. Size: length approximately 11 to 15 centimeters, 4.3 to 5.9 inches, including the tail. Feathers: weight about 4 grams, 0.14 ounces. Plumage: both sexes have a vibrant green body, with males displaying a white underbelly and iridescent green throat. Beak: short and slender, adapted for feeding on nectar. Habitat: found in cloud forests and montane scrublands at elevations of 1,800 to 2,900 meters, 5,900 to 9,500 feet. Restricted to a small range near Cubamba Valley in northern Peru. Prefers areas with abundant flowering plants, particularly near forest edges. Diet: primarily feeds on nectar from a variety of flowering plants, including species in the verbena and bromeliad families. Supplements its diet with small insects and spiders for protein. Breeding: males perform elaborate aerial displays to attract females. They hover and swing their tail. feathers, causing the spatules to whirl and shimmer in the light, creating an enchanting spectacle. Females build small cup-shaped nests using plant fibers, moss, and spider webs, often placing them on tree branches. EGGS typically lays 2 small white eggs, incubated solely by the female. Chick care. The female is responsible for feeding and raising the chicks. Territoriality. Males are territorial, defending feeding areas and displaying dominance through aerial displays. Behavior. Flight. Agile and swift, like most hummingbirds, capable of hovering in place while feeding. Vocalizations. Produces high-pitched, rapid chirping sounds. The Marvelous Spatuletail represents a delicate and/or inspiring part of Peru's natural heritage. Its survival depends on continued conservation efforts to protect its fragile habitat. Habitat destruction due to agriculture, livestock grazing, and logging are the primary threats. Its very limited range makes it vulnerable to habitat loss. The Marvelous Spatuletail is one of the most visually striking hummingbirds in the world due to its unique tail and dramatic courtship displays.